Tofu's calling in the night, feels so sweet, so right. Rang's the place to be, a flavor pure delight. Kimchi hugs the sizzling plate, soft and steamy sky. Soy sauce whispers in my ear, let's give this a try. A rerun where tofu sings, dancing in my taste buds. Wings, wings, savory dreams, oh savory breeze. Tofu teas, my heart's at ease. Spicy broth, like a fire's glow, simmer slow and low. Green onions and garlic clove, in perfect harmony flow. Steamed rice joins the serenade, a perfect plate duet. Eating here means no regrets, a joy you won't forget. A rerun where tofu sings, dancing in my taste buds. Wings, wings, savory dreams, oh savory breeze. Tofu teas, my heart's at ease. Chopsticks rise, they never wait. Grab those bites, create sharing plates of pure delight. Finish every fate, Korea's soul in every dish, served with tender care. A re-rang on tofu